Hey guys, today in this video we are going to see full review about this awesome product called Affiliate Star, which is a brand new software that will help you to get free laser targeted buyer traffic and turn that into instant profits and commissions. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And if you get access to it right now, I have some big bonuses for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer plus my free bonuses, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Are you feeling frustrated online and getting zero results? Brand new method, pay him $10,000 per month and feels like cracking the code. Affiliate Star reveals a beginner-friendly method that literally took Mark from seeing zeros in his account to $500 plus day earnings and how to replicate it in less than 10 minutes. You're only one click away from hundreds of free, viral visitors in as little as 60 seconds, even if you have no tech skills and no experience. Introducing Affiliate Star, free traffic to get high-quality buyers' leads. What makes us different? This is a game-changing traffic source that's as abundant as the four oceans. And it's all automated traffic on demand. In a matter of a few clicks, start sending free traffic directly to your offers. Inside this you will find step-by-step training, learn you how to get traffic for free. Hey there, over the past 7 years as a digital marketer, I've tried a lot of different methods. Truth be told, very few of them actually worked. But I kept coming back to affiliate marketing and list building. Because no matter what's happening in the economy, people need solutions to problems, and continue to pay for them. With a list and an affiliate account, you can get a slice of those never-ending sales. It's worked for me. I'm now one of the top earning affiliate marketers on one platform, and a platinum-ranked vendor on another. So I've put all my experience step-by-step system that allows anyone to get buyers traffic for free and to do what I do. Without the learning curve or expensive trial and error. Here's why you've been struggling. I have the ultimate solution. These are the reasons most people struggle. Nobody wants to help you for free. Most methods don't work for newbies. You've been trying outdated methods. Every system requires experience. Every system requires tech skills. Information overload. No replies to your support questions. No support from family and friends. Too expensive to start. Now it's your turn to enjoy free viral traffic and sales. Congrats, your search is over. Affiliate Star levels the playing field for the small guy who's just starting out. It's designed and built for the beginner to get viral visitors. And you can effortlessly get viral visitors without any of the following. The key to real online success is getting free buyer leads. Here's why buyer leads is so powerful. You can work a lot less and spend your time doing the things that you want to do. Making money while you sleep is the ultimate rush and the key to creating a life of freedom. You never look for ROI after today, because every dollar you make is going to your bank account. Happiness and fulfillment, freedom at every level, more free time, a good night's sleep. Now you ask yourself why you need this. First, you will get infinity free traffic for your offers. Second, passive income provides you with the freedom in your life to do the things you want to do, when you want to do them. Third, imagine being able to go on vacation and getting paid. Fourth, and the best part is, you're getting paid while you do the things that you want to do. Most people that try internet marketing fail. But why? Most people do a lot of the wrong things when it comes to getting traffic. Not because it's hard, but because they try to wing it and just figure it all out on their own, in many cases by looking at free resources and methods online that may be outdated or just plain out don't work. And again, when people struggle with traffic, it's not because it's all that hard. It's because the key to success with internet marketing is based on paying close attention to the little details. I've fine-tuned this method over the years so that I can earn reliable money online, work whenever I want to, work from wherever I want, spend more time with my family, spend more time fishing and kayaking, spend more time on the golf course. Basically, living my life the way I want to live it. Not sitting in a cubicle 40 to 60 hours a week like I did a couple decades ago. No boss, no employees, no stress. Doesn't that sound nice? Finally change your life, with highly profitable funnels, and hot buyer traffic and unlimited leads. Live the life you always dreamed of. Quit your 9 to 5 and work from home. Travel the world and be free. Buy new property and cars. Stack cash and build your bank balance. Secure your children's financial future. Become your own boss and take over. Take control of your life. I've experimented with nearly every way there is to make money online. And I haven't needed a job since 2016. If you used even a small percentage of your spare time growing a buyer's list, your financial situation and your lifestyle could change forever. Still wondering how this benefits you? It's literally freedom in a box. All what you have to do is follow my step-by-step method. You will never see this method anywhere else. This is a secret method that only some marketers know about it. We used this method in the last 3 years, making $200 or more per day. Why this method is better than paid traffic? Because you will get targeted free traffic. There is a lot of buyers out there waiting to buy what you will offer for them. Imagine getting thousands of real people to see your offer. Would you make money? Well, you're in luck, because we've designed this to absolutely blow other traffic methods out of the water. While other traffic sources are downright annoying, this one is underused and an absolute breeze.